Now, honorable senators, in terms of the way forward, following the reading of the charges against the governor, Standing Order 81B of the Senate, as read together with Section 33(3)B of the County Governments Act, give the Senate two options on how to proceed with this matter. The Senate may, 1, by resolution, appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate this matter, or B, investigate the matter in plenary. The Senate Majority Leader will, at an appointed time during this sitting, give notice of motion for the establishment of a special committee. Should this motion be carried, the special committee will be required under Section 33(4) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 82 of the Senate Standing Orders to investigate the matter and to report to the Senate on whether it finds the particulars of the allegations against the governor to have been substantiated. In the event that the motion for the establishment of a special committee does not pass, the fallback position is that the Senate shall proceed to investigate and consider the matter in plenary. In this event, honorable senators, I will appoint the dates on which the Senate will sit in plenary to hear and determine the charges against the governor. Honorable senators, I wish to emphasize that when we come to the debate on the motion for the establishment of a special committee, debate on the motion shall be limited to the substance of the motion, principally whether or not to establish a special committee. It will not be a debate on the substance of the impeachment or its merits, propriety, prudence, or even the constitutionality or the legality of the process that have preceded the submission of this matter to the Senate. It is therefore not permissible, honorable senators, to deviate to any issues other than the motion before the Senate. In the meantime, and during the pendency of the impeachment process in the Senate, I wish to caution honorable senators to refrain from publicly commenting on the merits or demerits of the impeachment motion before the Senate, because doing so would amount to anticipation of debate, which is an infringement of Standing Order 99. Accordingly, it shall be out of order within the meaning of Standing Order 122 for any senator to make comments, whether written or spoken, relating to the conduct of the governor or the impeachment process outside the confines of the impeachment proceeding, as such comments may prejudice the fair and just outcome of this process. Now, honorable senators, during the 13th Parliament, the Senate has dealt with 7 impeachment proceedings, 2 of which were considered by special committees and 5 by the Senate sitting in plenary, including one involving a deputy president. Notably, this is the 3rd governor proposed to be impeached during the current term of Parliament. It is important that we draw on the best practices established in the previous proceedings as we deliberate on this particular matter. The Senate will be sitting as a quasi-judicial body, conducting investigations into the alleged violations of the Constitution and the law, and subsequently make its determination on the matter. The impeachment hearing is not merely a procedural formality. It is a critical process that plays a crucial role in upholding the principles of democracy and good governance. It represents one of the Senate's most significant oversight functions and core responsibilities. I conclude by urging all honorable senators to exercise the highest level of responsibility on this particular matter. I thank you. Next order.